Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can download Videostar Plus on your iOS devices for free without jailbreak. But before starting the video, I'll just request you guys to subscribe my channel and help me to reach 1k subscriber. Your one subscription will be appreciated. And can you guys just suggest me some topics to make video on any specific game or app you want? I will make a video on it. So for downloading Videostar, you need to just go to this website. I have provided the link in the description. So when you'll open it, you'll see Videostar here. You just need to tap on get, and here you need to just hit install. I have downloaded it before, so I'll show you how it works. So when you will tap on it, it will come untrusted enterprise. So for it, you need to just go to general, and in general you'll see profiles and device management. In this profile you need to just trust it. So when you trust, it will work fine, and it's 100% working for everyone. And if any problems come, you just comment down below and I'll help you out. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed it, just give it a thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.